The Pentagon's secret: how Malaysia's tech boom is shocking the world. For decades, the United States has maintained a technological edge. But what if I told you that the future of global tech dominance might hinge on a country many overlook, Malaysia? This Southeast Asian nation has quietly become a critical hub in the worldwide supply chain, holding secrets that could reshape geopolitics and economic power in the 21st century. Today, we explore Malaysia's surprising rise and how it's becoming the unseen backbone of global technology. Malaysia's technological journey isn't recent, it's rooted in history. During British colonization, infrastructure was built that laid a foundation for future growth. The port of Penang, established in 1786, became a center for trade and manufacturing. By the 1970s, multinational companies like Intel chose Malaysia for their offshore facilities. Long before China's Shenzhen became a tech hub, Intel's plant in Penang launched in 1972, giving Malaysia a 200-year head start in logistics and manufacturing readiness. This legacy created a modern ecosystem now disrupting global supply chains. Malaysia's diversity isn't just cultural, it's strategic. With Malay, Mandarin, Tamil, and English spoken fluently, Malaysian engineers excel at bridging communication gaps across East and West. According to studies, Malaysia ranks 26th worldwide in English proficiency, higher than China, Japan, and South Korea. This linguistic agility makes Malaysia an indispensable connector in complex global supply chains, especially in the high-stakes semiconductor industry where precision matters. Beyond skills, Malaysia offers an attractive business climate. While Ireland is famous as a tax haven, Malaysia quietly competes with similar incentives. In recent years, giants like Intel, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon have invested billions into Malaysian operations. The country provides up to 100% tax exemptions for a decade, zero taxes on offshore income, and some of Asia's lowest operational costs. In 2023, Malaysia approved $17 billion in tech investments, a 60% increase from the previous year, highlighting its rising importance as a stable, pro-business hub amid global uncertainties. When it comes to semiconductors, the industry often focuses on chip fabrication. Taiwan and South Korea dominate here, but Malaysia's role is equally vital: chip packaging, testing, and assembly. While Taiwan produces the chips themselves, Malaysia finishes them, testing, packing, and quality control. Over half of the world's chip testing and packaging occurs in Malaysia, making it an indispensable link in the global electronics supply chain, something both the Pentagon and Beijing are acutely aware of. As digital transformation accelerates, Malaysia has become Asia's data fortress. Major investments like Microsoft's $2.2 billion AI and cloud infrastructure project and Google's billion-dollar data center plans position Malaysia as a critical hub. Strategic location, abundant renewable energy, and affordable land allow Malaysia to surpass Singapore in data capacity by 2025. These data centers power everything from social media to military operations, making Malaysia a key player in the digital economy. For years, Malaysia's brightest minds migrated abroad: Silicon Valley, London, and beyond. But the government's Returning Expert program has reversed this trend. Offering tax incentives and streamlined residency, Malaysia is now attracting successful Malaysians back home. Between 2020 and 2023, applications surged by 300%. These engineers, trained at top companies like Google and Nvidia, are now building Malaysia's tech future from within, at a fraction of Western costs. In the US-China tech Cold War, neutrality is a precious asset. Malaysia maintains open relations with both superpowers. Chinese firms like Huawei operate there, while US defense contractors have a presence. In 2023, Malaysia traded nearly $98 billion with China and $64 billion with the US. Its position as a neutral tech hub allows it to profit from the rivalry, not fall victim to it. Malaysia's leadership in Islamic finance, a $3 trillion industry, also plays a strategic role. With 60% of the world's Islamic bonds issued there, Malaysia attracts billions from Gulf states eager to diversify their economies. Saudi Arabia and the UAE are investing quietly into Malaysia's green tech and semiconductor sectors using Sharia-compliant instruments, providing a steady stream of capital for future growth. Looking ahead, Malaysia's 2030 master plan aims to make it a design and innovation hub, producing chips, powering AI with green energy, and leading Southeast Asia much like the US led the West. Projected to generate $70 billion annually from semiconductors, about 20% of its GDP, Malaysia's ambitions could shift the global balance of power, making middle powers the new kings of the digital age. The truth is startling. Malaysia isn't just rising, it's already risen. Its strategic position, cultural agility, and economic strength make it the unseen core of the global tech ecosystem. The real question, are we paying attention? Because if Malaysia succeeds, the 21st century could belong to the middle powers, with Malaysia holding the keys to the future. What do you think? Is Malaysia's strategy the blueprint for rising middle powers, or a risky game between giants? Drop your thoughts below. And if this video changed how you see global tech power, subscribe and ring the bell, because the future is happening now, and Malaysia is at its heart.